and air. We are truly grateful that our fans have trusted our headphone products. And today we are introducing Realme Buds Air Neo to offer a more affordable and smarter TWS experience. Why have we named it Neo? Neo means new style. With trend-setting technology and design, Realme Buds Air Neo will help you make the latest fashion statement and stand apart. After the success of the classic white version, this time we are introducing two Neo colors, red and green. In our consumer survey, red and green have been voted as the most desirable colors by youngsters, and we believe these two Neo colors epitomize the very definition of being trendy. At first, let me show you some pictures. Whatever you wear, Realme Buds Air Neo can always complement and elevate your style. Although we have brought new colors and style to Realme Buds Air Neo, we have not compromised on any core feature. Realme Buds Air Neo comes with customized high-performance R1 audio chipset based on the Bluetooth 5.0 protocol with super low latency mode. The latency is only 119.2 milliseconds, the same as that of its predecessor Buds Air. So if you are watching movies or playing games, you will have a real-time audio experience just like using wired earphones. Once the case cover is opened, Buds Air Neo will be recognized by your phone automatically. And once the connection is made, Realme Buds Air Neo will never forget your phone and will connect to it instantly, giving you a seamless pairing experience. Realme Buds Air Neo comes with Google Fast Pair out of the box, making the experience more intuitive. Users can also experience touch control features on Buds Air Neo. Double tapping while play or pause, triple tapping to skip to the next track, a long press on either buds to wake up Google Assistant for voice operation or end a phone call. Remember super low latency mode? Well, you just simply long press on both sides to enter or exit. What's more, you can set up and customize touch control features in the Realme Link app as per your usage habit. Now let's talk about the battery life. Realme Buds Air Neo is the most reliable companion. On a single charge, it can last for up to 3 hours of continuous music playback. And with the charging case, it can achieve a battery life of up to 17 hours, which is sufficient for more than a day of normal usage. In sound quality, Buds Air Neo upgrades to a bigger 13mm driver with LCP advanced multi-layer composite diaphragm. The dynamic bass boost solution also continues on Buds Air Neo to provide a powerful bass experience, giving you an immersive experience while watching movies and listening to music. The Buds Air Neo has a semi-open shape appearance suitable for long-term wearing. It only weighs 4.1 gram and you can hardly feel it in your ear. In my experience, I always tend to forget about it because it's too comfortable and light to feel. That's Realme Buds Air Neo for you guys, with new trendy colors but no compromise on the core true wireless experience. It's $2,999 and will be available on realme.com and Flipkart. It will soon be available in offline stores too. For customers who hate to wait,